What's up everybody, the Poets here, and today's video is going to be shot on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. So that's what you're watching right now in terms of the video quality as well as the audio quality. It is 100 degrees even, and that's Fahrenheit, here in Los Angeles. So I thought, why not go jogging and put a competition between me and the Z Fold 2. Which one is going to die first in direct sunlight? Z Fold 2 is filming in 4K. I'm going to be attempting to run in 100-degree weather, and you'll have different ways of listening to me struggle. So first, you're going to hear me just through the regular speakers of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. I'm then going to attach this. This is the Rode VideoMicro with the little dead cat or gray squirrel, I don't know what they call it, but it's a little shotgun mic, and I like this a lot. Now, this is a little interesting though, because you see how this is like a gray attachment here, which then goes to the USB-C port on the phone. There is actually a black one for like both ends are black, and that was the one that worked for my Note 10 Plus 5G. This is the one that works with the Z Fold 2. So go figure. Both of these are supposed to work with the Note 10 Plus 5G, but they didn't. So that was kind of weird. So when you're looking for audio attachments, do your research online and figure out which type of TRS or TRSS cord, or is it TRRS? I don't know. It's confusing, but this works. Gray to the USB-C, to the gray squirrel, to the phone, all right? Now I'm also going to use the Rode Wireless Goes, and the other one is floating around here somewhere. This is the transmitter, and that's going to be attached to the tripod, which the Z Fold 2 is on right now. And the other part is just going to snap right here. So you'll be able to hear me very clearly struggling and dying. Now, because the Z Fold 2 is one, obviously on the tripod filming this, but two, it's heavy, all right? I'm not going to like strap it on my arm or anything like that and try to run around, no. Palm phone. This is a companion phone. This is what I use, yes. This is actually a phone. Let me turn it on for you, see? It's actually a phone, yes. Nice and cute. And it fits in my pocket so nicely. It has Bluetooth. It's going to sync nicely with these, the FIIL Driifter DNCs. So I'm going to be unboxing and testing these. FIIL did give these to me as a review unit. So I'm going to see if they, one, sound good. I've tested other FIIL earbuds on TikTok, and they were actually pretty darn good for the price as well. Normally, Samsung Galaxy Budget Pluses all day long, right? This is like the easy recommendation for everybody, but they are pricier than these, put it that way. So if you're looking for affordable stuff, maybe something like this for jogging is a way to go. So I'm going to find that out. So yes, palm phone is great for that, and it's a companion phone too, meaning that if the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 rings, this is going to ring. If I get a text message there, that same text message hits this as well. So that's really nice. I have this through Verizon, and it is just like 10 bucks a month extra, not including if you do a payment plan for this phone, but it's inexpensive. Really, really nice. So other than that, let's get going and see who dies first, because 100 degrees. All right, let's do this. And let's just get this open real quick. All right, here we go. Something about audio. Oh, this is kind of interesting. That's interesting packaging. They actually cared. I like that. Okay, ready to go FIIL. Now let's just hope this is charged. Oh, this is solid. This is very solid. All right. So call me impressed. First impression. That's all it is. First impression. I guess I have to pick out some earbuds. Go medium or go home, right? Is that what they say? We're going medium. All right. Best unboxing ever. Maybe it'll go in. And then maybe this one will go in. Maybe? Maybe, baby? All right, there we go. Now the question is, do we know how to turn it on? Yes, there's instructions. Don't bother me. I'm going to call this the power button. Hey, blue lights. We like blue lights. And then we have the palm phone here. So let's see if we can get this registered. Pair new device. Oh, FIIL Driifter. Look at that. Who needs a manual? Yes, allow to, yes, sure. So FIIL is going to know all of my contacts apparently. Battery 20%. Well, that's kind of cool though. It does tell you on the palm phone exactly how much battery life there is. All right, let's go. Asus was kind enough to send me a bag, so let's throw some towels and water in it. All right, so we're out at the park, and this is the setup I'm going to be using with the tripod. So you're going to see the Rode VideoMicro here, as well as then the Rode Wireless Goes. And then, of course, right now, I'm actually using the stock speaker on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. All right, so obviously the mask can come off. Wear your masks, people, until there's nobody even close to being around me. So first off, these do fit very nicely. So I'm gonna put these on. And right now I'm just using the stock microphone with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. I'm just gonna call it the Fold 2 from now on because that's a mouthful. So I'm gonna put these on. I'm gonna run that way, run back. Maybe I'm gonna sing a song, row, row, row your boat, something, but this is the audio, and there is a highway maybe, I don't know, 100 yards that way. So that's some of the background that you're hearing right now, as well as a light breeze. It is literally 100 degrees out here, so it feels like I'm swimming in hot air. So if this cuts out and I'm still talking, you guys won't see that. All right, let's do this. All right, it says Bluetooth connected. We got the palm phone here. Let me get some music going. So far, so good. Let's do some jogging. This is actually really comfortable here too. I don't know if you can hear me from all the way over here. But yep. So far, these are comfortable. All right, now I'm going to transfer it over to the Gray Squirrel, the Rode VideoMicro. All right, people, so right now this is on the Rode VideoMicro, so that's the audio you're listening to. And again, a highway is over there about 100 yards. I'm really the only one around here, random dog walker. So let's see how this goes. And yes, it's still 100 degrees. Hey. I did stretch beforehand. I did drink a lot of water. Good training. So normally this Rode VideoMicro does a decent job indoors. I think that's enough. And hopefully the camera's still on. All right. So now, this is the Rode Wireless Go. And I might be breathing a little harder than normal. We'll see how this goes. It may be very loud on your end. If it's too loud, I am going to edit this in post, just so it doesn't blow out anybody's eardrums or anything. But this is the music I'm listening to. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but. Ready, set, go. So yeah, I probably should have drank more water. This is maybe not my best idea, running in 100-degree weather. Can't even talk.
So the Rode wireless Go's do come with their own like fluffy squirrel dead cat thing. So if it was really windy, then that would help to kind of alleviate some of that wind noise or like the noise of just me running. So let me know what you think. So far, I'm liking these files. These are comfortable around the neck. Apparently some decent audio controls, but for the most part, I'm happy with them. And I would actually probably use these over the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pluses for jogging, just because these are really comfortable overall. And I think having that added flexibility of just kind of letting it hang around your neck is kind of nice, because whenever I'm using the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pluses and I'm working out like this, when I take them out, I'm kind of like holding them in my hand at that point. Like, okay, where do I put them? This is just kind of nice. Let's doom, be done with it. So, yes, I'm about to die. Hopefully, oh, this is hot. So thank you again to ASUS for the swag bag. And I'm gonna call an end to this video before I die. So, peace. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Woo!
All right, I decided I needed a treat. I have to replace the calories I burned, or lost, or whatever it's called. Don't judge. So this is one of my guilty pleasures, boba time. I cannot get enough boba. All kinds of goodness. Hello. I figure, hey, why not do a little bit of vlogging at the end of this? So, overall, this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 is impressive. I like the audio. I like the color of the video when it comes out. I love the fact that I can just add USB-C audio attachments to it. So you saw the differences. I have not heard them yet. So remember, we had the Rode wireless Go's, the Rode VideoMicro with the little fluffy dead cat thing on there, as well as the standard microphone using the Galaxy Z Fold 2. So let me know in the comments what you think, and I'm going to enjoy my boba, and I have one more spot. Come along. Now, what's that 80s term? If you don't know about boba, you better ask somebody. And yes, I am chewing my drink. This is the final destination. Salt straw. Salted, malted, chocolate chip cookie dough. That's what I get. Don't judge. Peace.